No, it's this one. It's this one.
Yeah, this one is
Wait.
the slim one. The slim one is the 500.
Wait, so I plug it in this one because. Wait, it's
Here,
right.
here.
Okay, so plug it in like this. So and then we go up. Oh wait. Yeah, like this. And then which one do I plug it into?
The
Anyone?
SATA, which one? Let me see. The first, there should be a.
God, you don't need to do that. You just swipe up. Yeah.
Which one is SATA 1? Where's SATA 1?
Wait a second.
I think SATA 1 is that one.
You sure? Wait, hang on. Give it.
I can see it. Which one is SATA 1? SATA.
I can see the word SATA. I can see SATA 6G, SATA 3G.
How about this one? What is this?
I don't know what that one is. I think this is the SATA 1 because this one is the first. How
That
can...
is SATA 3. That's a SATA 1. Just plug it in here.
2.
Plug it in here. Black one.
The black one? Okay. So, move all these. Wait, do I plug it over the 20 plus 4 pin or no? Or under? Do I plug it over or under the 20 plus 4 pin? Wait a second. Wait, lift this back up again. Go around back.
You could put it here under.
Yeah, we can put it under. You get it?
Yeah, got it. Okay.
And I think we're done.
Then the power for the.
Oh yeah, and then we get this one. So this goes in here. Hang on.
It goes only one way, okay? Make sure the
Hang on.
nuts are on the right side. Okay.
And then what is this weird cable for?
Got it.
This 4 thing.
Oh, that's the old power connection.
Okay, so we just shove all this. Wait, hang on.
Shove it all
It's
in.
overlapping it. Hang on. So, just do it under.
All this thing we'll plug it in later. We just need to make sure that it's working. We don't want to plug it in permanently.
Crap. Wait, hang on. Okay.
You got it. You see?
So we just shove all this stuff in here. Where's the power cable? I just want to plug it in and test.
And get the
So it's 110.
your monitor. Put it here.
Can't we just plug it into the TV? I just want to see if it works.
No, just get the monitor.
Wait.
The monitor.
Are you gonna read?
Wait, JC.
What?
Let me just check.
Wait, we forgot the 2 fans up on top.
Hmm?
We forgot the 2 fans up top.
Which one?
The 2 fans.
It doesn't matter. We'll fix that later because we want to make sure that it works first
Okay.
before we plug in.
Anything?
Make sure that the thing works first. Okay, this thing. Everything is 110, right? We have to double check first before you do.
If this is 220, I might short circuit it. So wait, when can I even turn this?
Get the
to
keyboard.
220?
Get the keyboard when you're in the Philippines or in the